caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello there and welcome to another cooking video. I haven't made a cooking video for a long time. So today we're making spaghetti bolognese. Let's just go through some things which are happening now. Here's the spaghetti boiling. Boil it for about 15 minutes. Get the spaghetti, cut it in half, like snap it in half. Bit of oil in there, bit of salt, bit of pepper. Leave it there to boil. And then we'll take it out, wash it, then it's going to be going. Here is the spaghetti sauce. Onion, garlic, I'm using pork. What else do we have in there? Bay leaves, oregano, black pepper and salt. And then once that's sort of like sealed and cooked a bit, you can see the meat here like it's red, but you want it to go a little bit like a brown colour. We're just going to add in here, very simple, some peeled tomatoes and any kind of sauce like this. This is called 6 cheese, and just pop it in. At the end of cooking, if you do have any mushrooms, fantastic, fantastic. That was just going to make it taste even better. And that is how to make a very simple spaghetti bolognese. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. I'll come back in a wee while and I'll show you the results. Okay, okay, okay. Just those two, that's all you need. Nothing really fancy, but the secret, I would say, for spaghetti is oregano. My oregano is here. There we go, this stuff here. That's all you need. Delicious. Can't wait. Wednesday afternoon, really hungry. Bye. Okay, so welcome back. Sorry about the noise. It's the big sort of extractor fan there. So I just added in the peeled tomatoes and the special kind of spaghetti sauce. Later I'm going to put in some mushrooms, and I'm just going to leave that maybe for like 10-15 minutes, let it to simmer, let all the juices, the bay leaves, the oregano, the garlic salt, the salt and pepper, all to combine. Here we've got the spaghetti boiling quite nicely. It's just a little boil like that is fine, and I usually put it in for about 15 minutes. When I've finished, all I'm going to do is I'm going to sieve it. You can actually do it another way. If you can sieve it, you can wash it. It actually takes all the oil away. Then you can just microwave the spaghetti. Yeah? Takes about a minute to do. Just add in a little bit of extra water or sprinkle some in, yeah, into the bowl that you're going to eat from. And there we go. 15-minute recipe for you with a video which was possibly under 5 minutes. My cooking channel. Great food, great drinks, great restaurants, and a lot more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, yada, 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 and I'll see you for the next one, wherever it may be. Bye-bye for now.